Garden deals at Walmart. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today, I'm going to Walmart to check and see what they have on sale. I heard they have some stuff on sale, so I'm gonna see what they have on sale. They have some stuff that's clearance already, marked down stuff because they're trying to get rid of. Summer stuff or garden stuff, so they have a lot of stuff that's like 30% off. um so like these ones used to be $22, right now it's $15. So there's a lot of great garden stuff over here that are on sale, on clearance sale, because they're trying to get rid of it. So definitely something that you can definitely take advantage of if you have any of these items that are either bad, or these items that you need for next year, or you might still need them for this year, like this, the hoses and the connectors and everything. You're definitely gonna save some money if you get them now. um, they are like 25 to 30% off, so definitely something to take a look at it. If you go to Walmart, just check around your local Walmart and see what they have in terms of clearance items in lawn and garden. So definitely something that to look for. I know some of them might be cheaper later on, like when they're getting rid of it, probably around end of September or October, beginning of October. They might even have it at 50% off. But you never know. You might not have what you're looking for at that time. So if you're able to get it now, you get it now. If you want to wait, you can wait. Like these timers over here, um, they have been reduced from 38 to $30, which is a good deal. You have hose and sprayers here. All of them have been reduced. They're all clearance item. Definitely something to take a look at. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and please subscribe so that you get notified of any upcoming videos. Just subscribe and hit the bell. Over here they have still same things. They have some these lawn sprayers and ring sprinklers over here. That this one is usually about $9 or $10. So definitely good deal for extenders, telescoping sprayers. And even over here they have a sprayer over here that's on clearance too. Definitely if you do something like you spray, especially if you do compost tea and other stuff in the garden, definitely it's a good sprayer. That if you're looking for a sprayer, they also have pots. They also have pots and gloves and quite a few things here that are also on clearance. So definitely something to take a look at and see if you can, if you need any of them. Because sometimes you might think you don't need it, but until you need it, then you won't be able to get it at this price. So definitely go. All stores are not gonna be the same. Right now, I think I checked Home Depot and Lowe's. They are not marking stuff down yet because they carry most of this stuff year round. But stores like Walmart, Target, and other stores that carry garden stuff seasonally, they will start marking stuff like this down to make room for fall stuff that's coming. So if you need a blower like this, or weed whacker, all those things, they have them 25% off or more at my local Walmart. So check your local store and see what they have, and you might be able to get some good deals on some items that you definitely can use this year and even next year. So yeah, you see, like weed whackers right here. These ones are definitely something that you can definitely get and use. Um, Even lawnmowers, they have lawnmowers on clearance too over here. So you can definitely see this. Even other tools like these tools over here, they're all on clearance. and the prices have been reduced by at least 25%. So definitely something to check out. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the links in the comment below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing and savings.